how's it going with your stairs? Oh, you know, a bit up and down.
Hey, look, there's no getting round it. Stairs and everything associated with them are fiddly and time-consuming when it comes to painting. Take this set, for example. A new build from around 20 years ago, built with little love, made of pine and coated with something. At this point, it's worth mentioning an issue we had when starting to paint the stair skirting. Goodness knows what was on there. We suspect it was a glue of some sort used to add the top beading, but no matter what we threw at it, the stain kept bleeding through. We started with a couple of coats of Zinsser's cover stain. Nope. Then their Bullseye 1, 2, 3. Nah, still coming through. Panicking a bit at this point. So next, their bin shellac. Haha! Success! After that experience, we weren't going to risk anything else. It does state it has excellent adhesion to most surfaces without the need of sanding, but, no harm in doing some sanding prep. As you can imagine, this is a joy of a job. I mean, you don't have to go crazy, but keying the surface will undoubtedly help avoid chipping later down the line. Give the area a good clean-up, and then get painting. Some bin tips for you. It's runny. Your first strokes will undoubtedly go everywhere, but you'll soon get into the swing of it. You need to work pretty fast as it does sink in and dry quickly. For most situations, one coat should do the stain blocking trick, ready for your chosen undercoat and top coat. Oh, and if you can, let it cure for 1 to 3 days for the best long-lasting results. If you need further help and advice, the wood care experts are upstairs on 01303 477 555.